Hello everyone, this is PG Creator back with another video. Today I will be showing you how to lose in UHC as fast as you can. So there's a lot of videos on the internet on how to win UHC, but well, this video is a bit different because I'm going to be showing you the fastest way to lose UHC rather than win. This is a loser's guide to Hypixel, where we show people how to lose. At its core, UHC is exactly what it says it is. You spawn in a randomly generated world with many other people, and your objective is to gather resources and use vanilla PvP to eliminate all of them. But in a game all about survival, what is the fastest way to kill yourself? First of all, I'd like to rule out vanilla methods. Not only does the randomness of the spawn make them take way too long, most of them don't even work. The suffocation chamber, which is suffocating yourself using sand or gravel, is probably our best bet, and we could do that way faster with kits. Specifically, the trapper. My first thought was to try using the trapper kit and a piston to suffocate myself almost instantaneously, but instead of me being suffocated, here's what happened. 1.14 put me in the crawling position, which means I'm gonna have to try this on 1.8. I logged onto Minecraft again on 1.8 and tried the strategy once again. But then, this happened. The piston went right through my body. So, it doesn't work on 1.14 or 1.8. However, I do have one more trick up my sleeve. You see, the trapper spawns with not only pistons, but sticky pistons, along with 4 oak logs. This can be used to our advantage. How exactly? This is how. That's right. We can use the sticky piston and the oak log to start suffocating ourselves, even in 1.14. Now that we know the fastest way to kill ourselves in Hypixel UHC, let's try and see if we could do it under 1 minute. Well, there you have it, folks. Dying in UHC, technically under 1 minute. If you enjoyed, make sure to dislike the video and subscribe if I'm under 48 subscribers, and unsubscribe if I'm over 48 subscribers because I'm trying to hit 48 subscribers. If you want to see more of these series, make sure to do those things, and I'm still bad at outros.